Hello friends, this is Harsha here. Hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to install 70 mats in our Tata Tiago. I have ordered this 70 mats online through Flipkart website. So let us unpack this package and see how the mats are there in this package. So friends, this is the back side of our 7-day mat. It has this kind of minor grippings like this. So it will get stick to the default floor mat given by the company. And if you see, the quality of the leather is good in the front side. It is looking like leather finish, but I hope it's not leather. So friends, we have successfully unpacked the package and this is how our 7-day mats looks like. So let us go and install it in our car. The 70 mat has this kind of housing tips which will get stick to the default floor mats in the car. Now it is stick to that one with that, and you can feel the sound here and here. It has this kind of straps.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
So friends, we have successfully installed this 70 mats in our Tiago. I bought it from Flipkart during Big Billion Days and it costed me around 3000 INR. Some XYZ will now come and say we got it for 2000 rupees, 2500, etc, etc, blah blah blah. Yes, they can get it for a very lesser price, but if it is available to them in the market. But the place where I am staying, I couldn't find this anywhere in the market. So I thought it's better to order from Flipkart. So I have ordered it, and I am giving the link in the description. So if you want, you can order it from there. If you see the fit and finish of this one is extremely good, and it is giving some good premium look to your Tata Tiago. Just go ahead and buy it if you're interested. Hope you liked this video. Please subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you.